The name of our project is IoT-based Smart Waste Management System using Arduino, prepared by Taiba Hashim, Amir Hassan, and Ala Abdullah, and supervised by Dr. Ali Sanim and Dr. Salam Jumha. As we know, this biggest and most common problem in our life is the waste. So we suppose this system to solve this problem. Our system aims to reducing pollution using the latest technology, which is solar cell technology. This technology considered as a clean energy, thus doesn't need to use electrical energy. The main idea of our project is to build a waste management system where this system isolates wet materials from dry materials and also notifies if the containers full by sending notification to the responsible person, and we use solar cell converts energy of battery for a long period, and it is also a way to maintain the cleanliness of cities in the most recent and simple way.
Our system consists of two parts, which are hardware and software. The hardware components are: first, we use Node MCU ESP8266, which is the main component of our project. It used to connect the circuit of the project, and Wi-Fi was built in this component used to send notification to our platform. Second, we use two ultrasonic sensors, which are used to sense the level of waste in the container. If the container full, the notification will be sent to a blank application. Third, we also use two IR sensors, one used to sense the presence of waste on the board to isolate the waste into dry or wet part, and the IR sensor, the other one, used to open an automatic door by sense the movement toward the door and open it automatically without need to touch it. Fourth, we use the soil sensor to sense which the waste is dry or wet. Then we use two servos, one for moving the board that isolate and other servo used to open the door automatically. Finally, we used power bank that keep the energy that the solar cell absorbed from the sun. After IoT project connected, we will test our project. First, we put a dry piece on a board that isolating pieces. It will go to a dry part. After that, we will put a wet piece on the board, and of course, it will be to a wet part. After that, we will open the door to check the result, so that the two pieces, everyone in our place. This is our circuit: wet part, dry part, and then after that we go to check the level of waste. We put box to test that in a wet part, and then we will put the box in the dry part to see the high level.
And we used blank application to display the level of waste in it, and the notification was received when the container was full, and also when the project go to offline case. This lead to receive other notification tell us that there was an error or the system failed, and this application was worked in iOS and Android system.
Finally, as a future work of our project, we will use GPS to detect the location of container if it has been stolen and can be tracked. Also, we will isolate more than 2 types of waste, such as glass, plastic, paper, and so on. The last thing, we will use a trash hopper to pile up waste.